If you're looking for the best AI tools to simplify your college workload, you need to check out CollegeBot AI. In this video, I'll be sharing 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released software. Everything from how it works to whether it's actually worth your time. Stick with me until the end because I'll give you a solid breakdown on who should be using it and some features you might not expect. First off, CollegeBot AI is an AI-powered assistant designed to help students streamline their academic workload. It promises to do everything from summarizing lectures to helping you manage your assignments. Imagine having a virtual assistant that understands your curriculum and knows exactly when deadlines are approaching. That's the main appeal, but is it any good? What sets CollegeBot apart from other AI assistants is how it adapts specifically to the needs of college students. Instead of just handling generic tasks like note-taking or calendar management, CollegeBot dives deep into your coursework. It understands the syllabus, offers personalized study tips, and can even help you prepare for exams by giving quiz-style reviews tailored to the exact material you're learning. If you're looking to stay ahead of the curve in your classes, this could be the tool to help. Another standout feature is the ability to auto-generate essays or reports based on your subject matter. Now, this isn't just an AI that spits out generic content. It tailors its writing to specific assignments, understanding your course structure and requirements. This means less time spent on writer's block and more time focusing on refining your ideas. It's not a replacement for doing the work, but it sure speeds up the process, especially for first drafts. You can also use CollegeBot AI to keep track of your grades and assignments thanks to its built-in academic planner. This allows you to get a quick snapshot of your performance in all classes, helping you prioritize tasks based on deadlines and weight. Staying organized is key in college, and this tool ensures you don't miss a thing. What's also incredible about CollegeBot is how it integrates with other tools. It works well with platforms like Google Drive, OneDrive, and even learning management systems, LMS, like Canvas and Blackboard. This seamless integration means you don't need to switch between platforms to manage your tasks, which saves you a lot of time and energy. A cool feature that might fly under the radar is the AI-powered citation generator. It helps you create citations and references for your papers in MLA, APA, or Chicago style in seconds. If you've ever had to spend hours making sure your citations are perfect, this will save you a huge amount of hassle. But here's the kicker. CollegeBot AI isn't just for students. It's also got features that can be useful for educators. Teachers can use it to create quizzes, generate course materials, and even track student progress in real time. This makes it a valuable tool for anyone involved in education, not just those in the classroom. Finally, I want to highlight the fact that you can try CollegeBot AI completely free. Yes, you can explore its core features without any financial commitment. Just click the first link in the description to get started with your free trial. Now, I've tried hundreds of AI software tools over the years, and I've seen plenty that overpromise and underdeliver. But after using CollegeBot AI, I can say it has some serious potential. Whether you're a student looking to get ahead or an educator wanting to streamline your process, this tool can be a game changer. So, if you're interested in checking out CollegeBot AI or other AI tools I've personally reviewed, be sure to visit the links in the description. I've listed my top recommendations for software that can truly make a difference in your workflow. Try them all for free and see what works best for you. Thanks for watching.